So how you can highlight a text within your video, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm using the Filmora software, but you can use any video editing software. The technique would remain the same. So I've just downloaded a snapshot. I'll just import this on my timeline, drag this to increase its duration, and then go to the media and then double click on here and then browse or import the type of a solid color which you want to use it as a highlighter. So I'm just going to take these two colors and click open. So both these colors will be inserted here, and now let's suppose we want to highlight, start the highlight from here. So double click on the solid color, then go to the compositing, and from the blending mode select multiple, click OK, and then you can shrink or reduce the size of the solid color and bring it equivalent to the line which you want to highlight. Just like this one, double click, go to the animation and click slide right, or you can just add the fade, and just going to increase the duration of this highlight, and then we will go to the next color. Again double click that, go to the image compositing, select multiply, and then reduce it and bring it to the second line which you want to highlight. But you need to just reduce the duration. We are going to just bring it somewhere here. So once it is completed, both are going to exit at the same time. Let me animate the top one also by selecting the fade in, and now let's go to the full screen and see how it would look like. So now there is some issue with this highlighting option because our both highlighters are overlapping with each other. So we are just going to decrease their width, and I'm just going to bring it back over here. I'm just going to decrease the height of this one also, and let's see it again. So this is how you can highlight the text within your video with the help of these solid colors, and then reducing their opacity through the compositing by selecting the multiply effect, and later on you can add the animation, and this will ensure that your text is highlighted. So if you want to try out the Filmora, I have given my affiliate link in the description below. You can download this and you can cancel that at any time, but by far this is the best video editing software for the beginners. In any case, thanks for watching.